Welcome to the installation of the Rhino-Rack S512 Folding J Cradle Kayak and Paddle Carrier. The Rhino Folding J Cradle can carry a kayak up to 99 pounds, has universal mounting hardware to fit most crossbars, and can also carry your paddle. The S512 comes fully assembled out of the box. To attach it to your bars, loosen and remove one wing nut and swing the bottom bracket around the bar and tighten up the wing nuts until they're very snug. Give the cradle a good shake to make sure it does not move on you. To unfold the cradle, release both levers and bring the vertical loop up to about the number 2 position located on the left hub and fold the levers back. It can be easier to load your paddle first, then fold the cradles into place after. Once the cradles are in position, load the kayak onto them. Be sure to evenly distribute the weight between them and make sure the kayak is seated properly. There should be very little wiggle or movement. Rhino-Rack provides 2 sets of straps for you. Determine which length will be appropriate for you. To tie down the kayak, run the strap through the vertical loop and bring both ends up and around the kayak. Now take the loose end and run it through the small loop under the bar and inside of your tower and bring it back through the loop and into the cam buckle. Be sure to cinch your straps tight, and always be sure to tie your bow and stern down as shown in the instruction manual. You can fold up the extra strap and velcro it into place. Thanks for watching the installation of Rhino-Rack's S512 Folding J Cradle Kayak Carrier. If you have further questions, visit us at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.